and she just can't. And I said, well, the other end of the scale is my darling friend who can say sandwich is the best fucking way ever.
Sandwich. and now I'm going to go and get foliage.
Through it. So the first choice is your can. So I've been using Ultimates, my expensive fussy Tilyard. And but the good thing about this can is it's a good size. It's fairly solid, but not built like Fort Knox. Like if I wanted to break it down and cut into it, it's not too bad. I can cut out a middle and I can paint a whole scene and then stick it on. Or I can start in building up a collage system from the back forward with maybe a scene and something else and something else. Coming to the back, you need a way of hanging it, and the tin just keeps giving out little prezzies because there's that bit that you can then stick on there. This one here, what I like about this is this kind of increasing the energy of your diorama by a kind of story. So I don't know if you remember the gingerbread man and the fox. So in this one, the gingerbread man's clearly escaped the fox and is laughing hilariously, and the fox is just like, yeah. So, but what it does is increase the surface area or the story or the energy involved in that one tiny can. So think about that. These examples, there's the embossed effect and the way that you can change the shape of the tin on there. So pass those around and have a look through. And then it's just a question of starting.